There are many options. You can see, guys. Click here and start. 1 2 3.
As you can see, this is a KODAK XD2 Smartphone Gimbal. So guys, keep watching. I am gonna unboxing this gimbal. Instruction manual. USB-C type data cable for charging. This packet is contains XD2 Smartphone Gimbal USB cable. This USB cable is C type. Wrist string, mini tripod, user manual, carry bag, and model number you can see, guys, XD2, and tilt angle is 160 degree, pen angle 340 degree, type is a handle gimbal, working voltage is you can see, guys, 3.4 to 4.2 volt, working time 4.5 to 5 hours, and input voltage is 5 volt, and weight is 362 gram. Guys, you can check this device body rate 16,999, but I bought this device in local market, in our local market. You can see, guys, 6,500.
Before going to start, install this app. I am already installed. You can see, connect, and then eventually press the power button. You can see, guys, gimbal is power on.
To install the apps, so scan with your barcode scanner, this barcode. So now I will install the apps. Install this app. You can see installing, 28% is going on. So now open installation is complete. So guys, now I will show you. So guys, this is the stand. So put your stand. You can see, guys, this is my smartphone. So put your smartphone in this way. Press power button for 1 second. This is the first person view condition, and press again. Now landscape. So and then this is the Gimbal Pro app. Press your camera app. You can see, guys, connected. GP7 V0 connected. Enter camera. Now camera is ready. You can see 3 options, guys: take photo, blog, and video. For blogging, press here. You can see, guys, this is the option. Press if you want to tag in this condition. You can see, guys. Now save your video. So next option I will show you. This is dolly zoom option. Start recording. 1 2 3. Now recording is finished. You will save video. There are many options, guys. You can see intelligent shooting. This is the fast tracking option. Fast tracking option. Panoramic show. You can see that. Now, how to operate your gimbal? This is the video option, video recording option. How to sense your mood?
You can see guys, this is the power indicator button. App, this is the app condition. You can move us around. You can see guys. Now change ASAP, and then change. You can see guys, elapsed. Press again first person view. You can see. Now for to recording the video, press this is the video recording option. You can see guys, video is starting recording. Video is recording. During recording your video, you can tag your picture also. Press 3 times. 1, 2, 3. You can see guys. For this is the zoom key, zoom in out option. You can zoom out. You can see guys, up to 10x you can zoom out. This is C-type charging port. You can charge your smartphone charger also. C-type charger. This is the LED indicator light. So guys, that's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon notification for upcoming more videos notification.